Hey guys, Wandering Shell here. Once again, we're doing another painting video, this time with Morrigan Aensland. It's from the Capcom Darkstalkers. If you know video games, you would know this character. I knew about this character, but I never knew her name, so I had to look her up. Because it's funny, because I recognize her right when I bought her. I was like, I recognize this character, but I can't quite place it yet. Let me look into this. And then after looking and a lot of searching, there she was. I was like, aha! I did know about this character. She is a video game character from Darkstalkers. If you know about that video game, give me a like, a heads up, let me know. Because I remember actually playing this video game a long time ago. So it's a video game, more of like an arcade fighting game, and she's one of the characters. She's very popular with a lot of people. I mean, she's pretty cool looking. She's like a succubus almost looking character, or demon character, and yeah, I wanted to paint her. She is way smaller than the Ninja All-Star group and a few others, so it's a nice change of getting some details and stuff like that. And this character is like exactly look like her, not even like a little bit, it's exact. And because of how small her face is, it was very hard, if not impossible, to do her face. So please do not yell at me that her face came out horrible. I know it did. It's very hard to do this at like 2 in the morning with shaky hands, and how small of her face is, and I wanted to showcase me painting her for the most I can. Now there's a few parts of it where I just could not do it based on I literally went off the screen, or it just nothing really happened. So you'll see a few parts where I skipped. This part I tried to find the best way to get her hair color, and I think hydra turquoise is like almost exact on her hair color, so I was very proud of myself on that one. I tried to doing this new type of paint for the AK where it's like you put the shadow first and then you paint over it. I'm still not good at that. I did go back and do flesh wash on her, especially that part, and then go back again with basic skin tone. I'm still working on it. I do have other models are way bigger. I'm probably going to use that as more of like a test than showcase it, but let me know if you want me to do that and show you guys. I literally painted like this angel ceramic thing. I don't know. I was using more of it as a test more than anything, and just get my skills better in painting. But let me know in the comments below if you want me to videotape me doing it. But other than that, let's get back to her. And after doing all the tones, I did go back and have to repaint her again, because some of the wash kind of faded and it didn't look very solid anymore, so I had to go back and redo it. And a few little here's and there's of getting some highlight, just to really make it pop. There we go. And then I did do Warlock Purple for her leggings, but you'll see that later on a little bit where I did do that. I did use a little bit of electric blue for her highlight on her hair. It does kind of go well with the hydra turquoise to really make it pop. And then, yep, there's the Warlock Purple for her leggings, because her leggings did have that purpley tone to it, but I didn't want to make it like that right away, because like it's gonna be too bright. I feel like this at least kind of goes with the rest of her in that aspect of that dark colors. And She does have like little things on her leggings. I tried. I couldn't tell. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.